Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Just a small advertisement. This Saturday, Sunday, I have a workshop in Bengaluru. As usual, Bangalore response has always been good. So this time also, the response has been very good. But still, we can accommodate a few more people. So if you are interested in attending our workshop, you can contact our office. The details are given in the description. What a day. It was a range-bound market, but within that, the volatility was very high. And yesterday, today morning, the GIFT Nifty showed about 100-point gap down, but Nifty opened almost flat. Then after that, it fell. So it touched the place where GIFT Nifty was indicating. And then later, there was a good recovery, about 120, 130 point, and then again it fell 60, 70 point. But a few things to note down today. The most important, I do not know what has actually happened. The Bank Nifty future premium has come down by 150 point in just a single day. The Bank Nifty, it is actually higher by 165 point, but Bank Nifty future is higher only by 15 point, which means that in a single day, the Bank Nifty future premium has come down by 150 point. I don't think that I have ever seen this kind of a contraction in a single day. And Nifty also almost. Yesterday, Nifty future was trading about 100 point premium. And today that premium has come down to about 50 point, not even 50 point. It's 30, 35 points only. So 60, 65 point premium has been wiped out in just a single day. I actually expected this to happen next Monday once all the big events are out. But just 2 days ahead of the big events like Reliance results, HDFC Bank results, ICICI Bank results, this kind of thing happening, it is totally unusual. The second one, the India weeks. Even when the market was falling in the morning, the India weeks was down. The India VIX is already very, very low, below 12. From there, again, it is falling. So that is another, fantastic thing. That shows that, the bulls are very, very confident now, despite, 500, 600 point fall. And the third one, in the morning, HDFC Bank indicated 20 point gap up. And then the news came, HDFC Bank is coming out with the results on Saturday. And they are planning to announce bonus shares and as well as special dividend. And usually when this kind of news comes, it's a positive news, a 20 point gap up. Then again from there, it has fallen about 30 points. On average, HDFC Bank fall about 30 points. Correspondingly, the Bank Nifty should fall about 500, 600 points. But it did not fall that much. Okay, mainly because the other banks did not fall much. And then the fourth one, and today, PSU banks have outperformed. So most of the PSU banks are higher by about 2 to 3%. So I do not know. There was some news in State Bank of India that they are issuing some bond, 20,000 crore bond issue or this and that. But it's not only State Bank of India, and the entire PSU bank pack. In fact, today, PSU Bank Index is the best performer. And IT also recovered. TCS did not recover, but other than TCS and all other IT stocks have recovered well. And then, auto index is also, after the low inflation, yesterday also auto index was higher, today also higher. But overall, it's just absolute flat closing. But because the future premium has come down, the call prices have come down drastically. I'm talking about a monthly or, December options and this and that. And today at 6 p.m., the US market, the producer price index data came. So that was lower than expected. So because of that, US futures are higher now. But nothing seems to be working in GIFT Nifty. GIFT Nifty is almost flat with a negative bias. And mainly because, FIIs been an aggressive sellers today. FIIs have sold for about 1,858 crores, whereas the domestic institutions have bought for only about 1,250 crore. So that means, there's about 600 crore additional selling. So that explains the reason why the market was weak in the morning. And in the first candle, the Nifty fell about 90 points. Then after that recovered. Again, the day's low was broken. And then after that, the day's high was broken. That's a different story. So overall, market is, I would say it is still consolidation mode, and 25,200 to 25,600. That's what I told you for the at least for until tomorrow. Then after that, it's only Reliance, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank. So these three company results may change the direction of the market. So which direction, it all depends upon the results. Looks like HDFC Bank announcing bonus issue, bonus shares, and then special dividend is something positive. But still, the Bank Nifty is also still just consolidating only. In fact, last 2 months, Bank Nifty has been consolidating. So that has to take out 58,000. So then only we can have a bullish view. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow morning. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.